So I am going to demonstrate you how to create a web service in Java using NetBeans. Okay, NetBeans IDE. So basically, first we are going to focus what is SOAP. SOAP is a XML based protocol for accessing web services over HTTP. So we can say it is one of the protocols. In other words, we can say how web services talk to each other or talk to the client applications that are invoking. SOAP was developed as an intermediate language so that applications built on various programming languages would talk easily to each other and avoiding extreme kind of development effort. And also we can say SOAP is a platform and language independent. Okay, SOAP enables client application to easily connect to the remote services and invoke remote methods. In the today's world, we can say there is a huge number of applications which are built on different programming languages. For example, there could be a web application designed in a Java, another we can say in a .NET, another we can say in a PHP, right? So exchanging data between these applications is today's crucial word. But data exchange between these heterogeneous applications would be complex. So will be the complexity of the code to accomplish this data exchange. So one of the methods used for that, use extensible markup language. This is intermediate language for exchanging data between the applications. So XML was used as underlying medium for data exchange. But there are no standard specifications on use of XML. So across all programming languages for data exchange, that is where SOAP came into the picture, Simple Access Object Protocol. So SOAP was designed to work with XML over HTTP and have some sort of specification that could be used across all the applications. So let us discuss with the demonstration how to build the solution. These are the steps. What are the steps? First, you have to open NetBeans. Create project, new project, Java web application. Second step is we need to create web service. After that, we have to add or update methods. Next step is you have to right click on the project and deploy the project. Then you have to test the web service. Okay, so these are the general steps that are required to build the solution. Okay, so I will open the NetBeans. It takes time. Please wait for that. Please wait, it takes few seconds. directory NetBeans ID, I am going to show you how to develop a simple SOAP web service in Java. We can open file, new project, Java web application, next. Give the name calculator service. Okay, I am going to show you the simple program. Next. So it is connected to the Glassfish, either Apache, and finish. Takes again time. Right here, right click. Next step is create a web service. Right click on the project, new web service. Click on the web service. Enter the name in that particular web service, calculator service. LC service. Any name you can assign. Enter the package name. So package name you can just put here. Finish. What is the next step? After clicking web service, we given the name cal service. Right click on that particular web service. Cal service. Right click on that cal service. Add operation. Okay. So add operation. Dialog box get open. Enter the name of operation that we are exposing as a web service method. So I am here typing sum, and here I am writing return type, that is the integer. Okay. So next step is enter the return type of method. Sum method will calculate the sum of two numbers. So we need to add two parameters. So add num1. Here you can give the integer type int. Add num2. Again you have to select int type int. Okay, and click on the OK. Next step is OK, because sum is to be calculated with the method, right? So now click on the OK. Open the web service. Here I am going to type right. So what we are going to write here? See, here I am going to write integer sum. Int sum. Just I am going to assign the value. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Sorry, num1 plus num2. and return sum. Save. Okay. So what is the next step? What is the next step? Now the deploy and test the web service. So right click on the project, deploy. Web services get deployed on the Glassfish server. So that is the main intention for deploying. So it is deploying. Takes time. After this deploying, we are clicking on the web service directory, that is cal service. Right click on that and we are click on the test web service. But once it is deployed to that Glassfish server, then this step is working. Right? So right click on this web service, test web service. Once it is deployed successfully, then only open the browser and Glassfish server create a tester client on the URL. So this kind of tester client, see this kinds of tester client will open. So now I am entering numbers 1 1 2 1 and I am clicking on the sum. Okay. So these are the SOAP request, method invocation, SOAP response, see SOAP request. So this is the way we can create SOAP web service for calculator in Java. Thank you.